Hi guys, today I have my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of January. So happy 2018, and this is the first box. And I kind of already saw a few previews, so I can already tell you that it is a really good one. So I'm happy that they're starting off the year with a bang. So first thing in here as always is the card, and it says Rock 2018. And first thing that it says on the card is Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. This is worth $38. It delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections. So this is what it looks like. And as always, Boxycharm is full-size products. You get 4 to 5 full size, and I have been all about luminizing my skin because I have really dry skin ever since I got pregnant, and I have completely switched gears and really love this kind of luminizing products. So I don't think you can really tell there on camera, just like the tiniest bit. Kind of gives like a little bit of luminosity, but it doesn't have any shimmer or, well, it does kind of have a little bit of shimmer, but it's not overpowering or like huge glitter particles. So I think I'm really gonna like this. I will let you guys know in the long run. Next thing in here is the It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. This is worth $24, and it says it was developed by plastic surgeons. It's supposed to be infused with biotin, lectin, all kinds of good things for your hair to give you natural looking brows. So this is what it looks like right here. I'm gonna take it out, and it says a universal taupe, so it's supposed to be a color that is supposed to be pretty much universal for everyone. And that's what the packaging looks like. And yeah, it has a spoolie on one end, so I really like that. And let's see how it swatches. It swatches kind of dry. It doesn't feel like super creamy or anything, but that's the shade right there. It's a very natural taupe, and it doesn't lean towards reddish or golden. You know, it's kind of like that perfect neutral shade. So we'll see how this performs in the long run. I think it just like snapped back in, so definitely be careful with bringing it out too far as the pencil goes. Next thing in here is the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. This I actually saw on their Instagram, and I was super excited. As you can see right there, hopefully this it reflects a little bit too much, so I'm going to have to put it on the side right there. This is by Crown Brush. I don't have any of their palettes whatsoever, so I'm super excited to try this. I really like that it has like the guitar, and it's supposed to be like metal or like heavy metal kind of inspired. And all of these shades in here are absolutely beautiful based on the swatches that I saw. They have only one matte, which is this matte black, and it's called the Black Metal, and all of them have names that relate to rock and roll and metal punk and that kind of stuff. But let me go ahead and just put my finger in some of these. Look at how beautiful those look. Of course, it's a total different game of, you know, actually performing on the eye, so I will definitely see how they perform on the eye. But based on the swatches, they look super pigmented and beautiful, and I love how metallic-y they are. So excited to actually play with this. And yeah, I love when they put little palettes like this from different brands that I haven't tried, so that way it's a good moment to kind of see if I do or don't like it. Next thing in here is the The Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. This is worth $34. It's a on-the-go highlight, bronze, and blush. And yeah, I'm so excited. It says it features fan favorites, Afterglow, Mineral Glow, and Blushing Glow. And that is what it looks like right there. It's a nice size. And let me go ahead and open this. I have to take off the plastic. Okay, so that is what it looks like. It has a really nice size mirror on the inside, and these look absolutely beautiful. This coral, oh my God. I mean, you would have to be pretty light-handed with that because that is super pigmented. Wow, these are, wow, I am in shock. Do you guys see that? That's just by like putting my finger in it. So these seem very soft and creamy. I am in such shock. Let me go ahead and try a little bit of the highlighter and see how it applies on top of the one that I already have today. Okay, so hopefully you guys are going to be able to tell a difference. I'm not sure if you're going to because I already had highlight on, but I can definitely see like a little bit extra pop on this cheek. Hopefully you guys are going to be able to see it when the light hits it. Let me go ahead and even myself out. but this I really am excited for. I don't have that much cosmetics from Pure Cosmetics, so this seems like a lot of fun. Only thing is, I can already tell this is already gonna get really dirty. It's almost like one of those packagings that isn't, oh crap, look, I got it super dirty. So that is something to take into mind, but nothing that a good makeup wipe won't fix. Last thing in here is the Grande Cosmetics Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. It's worth $27, and this is a lip plumper infused with Volulip and hyaluronic acid. It says that it will increase your lip volume by it increases it in 3 to 5 minutes. So definitely excited for that. I have really thin lips, so I'm always excited for something that volumizes it. And this is what it looks like right there. It says 1 instant plump, 2 long-term benefits. So it says that overall it's supposed to give you hydration, plumpness, firmness, and softness. And it says after 30 days, it actually shows a little picture here of like a before and after. So I will definitely see how this feels. I think it has a shade to it. So it has a corally shade. I was thinking it was transparent, but it's not. Let me see. It says, oh, it's Sunset Orange is the shade I got. So, oh, it's kind of like a clicky pen. And of course, with all these clicky pens and twist up things, the only thing annoying is that you have to click it like 1,000 times before it actually comes out. Okay, so I finally got it to come out, and that's what it looks like right there. It's a beautiful coral shade, and I like the fact that it's very glossy, so it seems like something that you could really sheer out on your lips. We'll definitely see if this actually does the plumping effect and works out good for plumping up my lips. I've always wanted to get lip injections, but I have been too chicken to do so, so this is the next best thing. So as always, I'm gonna go ahead and put the total value of the box. Remember, Boxycharm is $21 a month, but the value of the box is always $100+, and I love that it's always full size. They do send me this for review purposes, and I do have a link that if you use to purchase yours or start your membership with them, I do get a compensation for. And yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this month's box. I love every single thing in here. There are times where there's like 1 or 2 things that I'm like, but this month they really hit it out of the ballpark. They have started the new year with a bang. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed and want to continue watching my videos, hit that little red subscribe button. Love you guys, and until next time, bye guys.